Welcome to English Evolution Step 1. In today's lesson, we're going to explore routine sentences that are perfect for A1 English learners. These sentences will help you talk about your daily activities with confidence and ease. We'll cover everything from morning routines to work schedules, evening activities, household chores, and even leisure time. Let's get started and make your English learning journey fun and practical. Morning activities. I wake up at 6 a.m. every morning. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I do some light stretching exercises. I take a shower and get dressed. I have a cup of coffee while reading the news. I prepare a healthy breakfast with eggs and toast. I leave for work at 8 a.m. I take the bus to work. I arrive at work at 9 a.m. I check my emails first thing. I attend a morning meeting. Work routine. I work on my computer. I have a coffee break at 10:30 a.m. I continue working until lunch. I have lunch at 1 p.m. I usually eat a sandwich and fruit. I chat with my colleagues during lunch. I go back to work at 2 p.m. I finish my tasks for the day. I leave work at 5 p.m. I take the bus back home. Evening activities. I arrive home at 6 p.m. I relax for a while. I prepare dinner. I eat dinner with my family. I wash the dishes after dinner. I watch TV for an hour. I read a book before bed. I brush my teeth again. I set my alarm for the next day. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I fall asleep quickly. Household chores. I wake up feeling refreshed. I make my bed. I water the plants. I take out the trash. I do some laundry. I fold the clean clothes. I vacuum the living room. I clean the bathroom. Leisure activities. I go for a walk in the evening. I call a friend to chat. I check my social media. I plan my tasks for the next day. I write in my journal. I meditate for a few minutes. I listen to some music. I prepare my clothes for the next day. I turn off the lights. I go to sleep. I'm so excited to share that we've reached 50,000 subscribers. Thank you all for your amazing support. Your likes, comments, and shares have helped this channel grow. Thank you for joining me on English Evolution Step 1. I hope you found these routine sentences helpful for your daily conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use these sentences in your everyday life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to learn about, leave a comment below. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!